I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along.
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's raining.
I know.
Maglalakad yan sila?
Hindi. Atid niyo dyan.
You have to put them around there.
Yeah, yeah. Can you wash your face? I'll do it.
No, I mean,
Late na nagising. Face. With accessories. Cream, huh? I have cream there. Are you gonna put cream? Yeah. Oh.
na cream ka talaga, no? Ang dami mo gamit sa cream.
Dami. Pag bumibili ako pag grocery, tatlo. Kasi siya sa dessert, sa luto.
Kasi kami, hindi ako maano. Hindi.
Wala na sa next day.
Kawawa naman.
Like man sila, madali lang naman. Hiwa mo, ha?
Supper.
Pizza.
Supper. You want Dan?
Yeah, I got more.
Man?
I got more here. I just want to serve it.
Bryce put his boat in today.
Huh?
Bryce putting the boat in today.
Today.
For now.
Princess? Say thank you to Tita Manay. You got pancake.
Got pancake, Papa?
Come on.
Is it good, ba?
Oh yeah. Best I've ever had. Yummy! Someone any cream?
No, you don't want that thing.
You're just kicking.
Well, how do they put it in?
Tractor. And a big trailer. Backing in the water.
Danny boy.
Oh, cheers, I'll probably do 2-6.
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. It's Monday today. October 31. Pumasok na yung mga bata, guys. Nakapag-breakfast na rin si Jan at si Dan. Gumawa ko ng, yun nga, pancakes. Then, ngayon, niluluto ko yung bituka. Yung pinakulang kong bituka na akala ko ay bulaklak. Hindi naman pala, guys. Na-wrong na naman tayo dyan. Pero masarap. O, natikman niya na. So, yan yung aming, alas 10 na, guys. So, brunch na to. Magiging na namin to. Lunch. Gawa tayo ng Swiss roll. Okay.
Shower.
Shower ikaw, Papa.
Shower.
Shower din si Mag-shower na sila.
She did ako. Hindi mo nagawa po inapi. Yan namin yung ako kasi ko. Yay! Para ano?
Mas maganda
ulit yung pinainit.
Ikaw pa yung napuntaan, Arlo. Hindi ba ko sumama
Ako na lang muna, ha? Ang dami ko nang mapupuntahan. Ikaw, hindi ka pa, ha?
Pa
Huwag
doon
ka na
sa
lang, bless you.
Sinamagotan mo na ako ng
Bless you. Sapunan. Ayaw, Ricky. Okay yan. Madami yan mo.
Hindi naman nakakuha. You're going there, Baba.
Oh, yeah.
Sana all. Wala ba?
Ang ganda din ng outfitan ng itong babae.
Oo, no?
Yan, tas
Ay, oo.
kasi mahirap siya hanapin.
Meron niya, sure.
I-order mo na. Online. Kaya naghanap ako ng online na pwede nga i-return kasi hindi ko magustuhan.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late I want you back here with me.
Kain tayo, guys.
Saan ako? Doon ako tabi niya.
Ayan yung aming
Tabi ako kay
brunch na to. Tapos ayan yung ating isaw. Tapos yung tira naming lobster. And ito na pala yung ating, yung gagawin kong, yung chocolate Swiss roll. Ayan.
Kain tayo.
Ayan,
Gosh,
kasha.
ang sarap. O, diba? Palobat na ako. Bakit? Uy, Ayla, tinatiming niya talaga doon. Nakakain ang mga tao.
Ala.
What you want, Baba?
Chocolate again.
Pinakita mo. Nothing there, Baba.
There's nothing. Do you want a mandarin?
Nothing there.
Mandarin. Banana! You want banana? Ay, wala na. Nakabuntot na sa'yo, sis. Wala na. Alams na. Alams na talaga. Maliit na, pero sa 10 naman.
Go.
Okay, naka-chocolate na naman talaga.
Go to Daddy. Daddy, try it if it's yucky chocolate from Japan. Go to Daddy. Daddy, try if it's a yucky chocolate from Japan. Ayaw talaga ni Jan ipabigay yan. Nagpunta man talaga siya doon. Siya na talagang paano.
Sumusunod yan.
No, ang galing naman ni Ayla.
How is it, princess? Tell Johnny if it's good or not.
Yeah, it's good.
Try na niya yan. That's alright, that one.
Yeah, that one's alright. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
it's not too sweet.
Hindi naman.
Maybe that's why you don't like it, because it's not. Have you tried any?
I have tried. Yeah, I'm
Do you like?
I'm with Johnny. I like the other ones better to be.
Yeah,
honest
kasi
with you.
mas matamis.
Oh, kasi mas matamis. Kasi sa kanila. Hindi.
Ay, ito pala yung ulam namin, oh.
I don't think Anna cares. She's quite
And this
happy.
time. Sayang. Ito sobrang sarap. You want some? Sige na, try.
It's not very nice. That's rude.
Malaki, you should try. It's, respecting your wife's culture.
This is our culture.
Eating
Eating
intestines
isaw.
and guts.
You don't need Australian food.
Delicious. Delicious.
Mom said it's delicious.
Ugh.
Yum.
Yummy, princess. What's wrong?
No, hindi mapait.
Hindi, kasi nininis ko talaga siya. Dinabahan ko siya sa soup.
I'll take it. That's alright.
Right?
That one's alright. Yeah, that was
Yeah.
good. Yeah. I'll eat that.
That's why I give one for Ayla, one packet. Because it's really
Of that?
small. Yeah, there.
Ikaw na talaga.
Pang ano mo ba? Pang suhoy, pang nag-drive. Katahimik.
Where's Holly? Where's
No.
Holly?
Oh no!
You don't know where Holly is? Go check the princess.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care 'cause I am on my way.
Where's Holly?
Up
Where's
and I
Holly?
won't stop. I won't slow
Where's Isla?
down. Steady
Where's
on
Isla?
my feet,
Have you
I'm
seen
on my
Isla?
rise.
Yeah, this round-headed girl with funny hair, like a clown.
Time.
That's my girl. Do you want to go on the
I
bounce
know
bounce?
what
The
it's
jump
like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care 'cause I am.
Alis siya. Tapos na kayong kumain, guys. And si Jan dumating na, oh. Meron siyang dala kay Johnny Boy na lunch. Pie and pastry. Pie and sausage roll. Umalis si Jan siya kasi Ayla pumunta sa Mount.
Did text back?
Ha?
Yeah, he said okay.
Guaranteed, though. Got something.
Ako, gagawin ako ng chocolate cream para sa aking Swiss roll. Manood ka guys, small. Small loud eh.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer
Oh yeah, these men like it's showing around
we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up our life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We won't regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You see us howling like wolves in the night.
Time check guys, mag-aalas 3 na naka-PJs pa rin tayo. And, tawa sila. Naka-PJs pa rin tayo. Roast na ako ng vegetables, tsaka rose lamb. And, nakagawa na rin ako ng cheese platter para sa ating snacks. And my fruits. Ngayon naman, i-ready ko na yung mga chocolates. Yung totoong chocolates. Ayaw to ni Jan, no? Ito gusto ko sana ipamigay. Ito ba, o galing kong Japan. Kasi ayaw ng mga bata. So gusto ko siyang i-include sa ano ba? Ibigay sa mga bata. Pero marami tayong chocolates, di ba, na binili. I-mix ko na lang. Pero ayaw ni Johnny Boy.
I-mix mo yan sa iba, sayang.
Kaya nga, sayang.
Bakit? Kasi magustuhan nila.
Kaya si Dan yan, nagustuhan yung yung pretzels na chocolate. So,
Kasi
eto.
masasayang lang yun.
Kaya nga, hindi ko rin naman
Cause nothing.
Time check guys, mag-aalas 3 na naka-PJs pa rin tayo. And, tawa sila. Naka-PJs pa rin tayo. Roast na ako ng vegetables, tsaka rose lamb. And, nakagawa na rin ako ng cheese platter para sa ating snacks. And my fruits. Ngayon naman, i-ready ko na yung mga chocolates. Yung totoong chocolates. Ayaw to ni Jan, no? Ito gusto ko sana ipamigay. Ito ba, o galing kong Japan. Kasi ayaw ng mga bata. So gusto ko siyang i-include sa ano ba? Ibigay sa mga bata. Pero marami tayong chocolates, di ba, na binili. I-mix ko na lang. Pero ayaw ni Johnny Boy.
I-mix mo yan sa iba, sayang.
Kaya nga, sayang.
Bakit? Kasi magustuhan nila.
Kaya si Dan yan, nagustuhan yung yung pretzels na chocolate. So,
Kasi
eto.
masasayang lang yun.
Kaya nga, hindi ko rin naman
Wow! Pinailayan. Wow!
Ready ko na yung chocolate. Ayaw to ni Jan, masarap naman to. Anong gagawin natin dito? Ang dami nito.
Ano nga lang yan?
I-mix ko na lang ng...
Oo. Ihanda, bakit? Pagpuntahan ng mga bata?
Mami, pumasok na kasi palabas yun ng school.
So, ano na lang, ihalo.
Dami naman.
Ano ba yan? Diretso lang bigay or binabag mo pa to?
Hindi, silang kumukuha.
Sila ang kumukuha? Baka gusto nila yan.
Kaya nga.
Kaya nga.
Ilagay lang muna natin to. Haluan lang para matuwa si Johnny
Pakita
Boy.
sila. Ikaw naman, do you want this?
I will
Well,
just mix
because
it with...
the kids will choose, yeah?
Yeah, they
They
will...
might choose that. what do you think about these chocolates?
No, these are good for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
But the kids only got kids chew what they know.
What they know.
Yeah.
God, Johnny.
They do.
But it's okay.
Ayan na, oh. Ready na siyang lumabas.
Say bye.
Walk na, oh.
Bye! Bye
Where
na!
are you going?
Where you going? Oh, where you going? There's Tito Jan, oh! Daddy's shoes! Daddy's not coming!
Come on.
It's
Go.
Tito Jan. Go, Tito Jan's going. Go on.
Go to Tito Jan now. Bye!
Bye.
We go get Holly.
Yeah. Kamaingay na.
Bye.
Alis
Ano,
na.
wala na talaga, nanakaw na talaga.
Sundin nila si Holly. Hintayin si Holly sa sa kanto. Andito na sila. Oh, ayan na si Holly tsaka si Ayla.
Which one are you going for, Zach? Are you going for the... Hey, get in, be quiet. Just be alright, teacher. You
I don't want to have these.
Yeah, that's her favorite one. Kinaga,
She likes something Japanese.
kinaga ni Zach. Tapos pinapili doon. Thanks,
I
Zach.
get changed.
Zach,
Okay.
heads up.
Favorite niya yung cheese platter. Ayan yung kanyang, what you call that? French onion dip. Si Islander naman siya, oh. Nawawala nga. Oh, nawawala sa'yo.
Tapos biglang ano pala tong phone ko.
Nagkabihis na si Ayla, oh. Tapos pumunta siya kay Tito Jan. Wonder Woman. It's babies! It's babies!
Yeah. You have to sit down so you can put your nice shoes.
Cause I think I do